This is the second part of our paella de pollo e verduras at the garden. While waiting for the paella to cook, I promised my friends to prepare a glass of mojito, a summer cocktail. Unscripted, uncut, unedited. Enjoy. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Romilo at his garden. While waiting for our paella de pollo y verduras, as I promised to my friend Ricardo here, I'll be making him a cocktail. Despite the cold weather, I'll be making for him a summer cocktail. It is mojito. What do we need for this drink? We need lime, just half a lime. Come closer. Let's show what I'm doing here, please. Just half of the lime. Okay, just that. Put it there, and then we need some sugar at the balcony. Here on the floor. Thank you. Some sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add, cameraman here, and 12 leaves of mint or yerba buena. 12 of these, approximately, of course, 12. Fresh, all fresh from the garden. 12 of these, and just crush the leaves like this, put them there, and then crush also, I'll show you, the lime inside to squeeze the flavor and the aroma. Okay, just crush, don't pound, just crush. And then tonic water.
Whoa.
Stir it.
No alcohol.
No, with alcohol. What's a cocktail without alcohol? And then top it up with rum. If you're in the Philippines, if you're watching from the Philippines, use Sanduay. That's the perfect topping for this cocktail. Yeah. How strong or how much, that depends on how strong you want it to be. And I purposely asked my friend here, Ricardo, to bring this. It's a Surinamese brand. Proudly made in Suriname from sugar cane. So my friend, this is for you.
Thank you.
Of course, we have to remove the yeah. Happy?
Yeah, happy.
Envy? Do you want to try it without the alcohol? No?
No.
Okay. I'll have to finish my I have to finish my sangria instead.
Good?
Really good?
Yeah.
Can you do it also at home?
Yeah.
Not yet. It's like,
Yeah, okay.
unbelievable. It's really good.
Water more?
No, thank you. Enjoy your drink, my friend. And to our cameraman here, enjoy the view. You know what? I forgot to put ice on my friend's drink. And Manang Grace, if you're watching, this is the ice bag that you bought in Albert Heijn the other night. Yeah, I brought it here. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. Nice, Ricardo. I'd like to have one as well, I think. Nice, okay? Good.
How are you going to sit here?
No problem.
Oh.
Okay. So thank you for joining us. Me and my friends here, Ricardo and Susanto, enjoy our paella. And until next time. And as a bonus, we've seen how mojito is made. Join us again next time here at the garden or at our little kitchen in Eindhoven. Your Kuya and Uncle here, Romeo. If you like this special edition, don't forget to like and subscribe. More serious editions coming your way. Bye bye.